Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to share a pet on Widgetable. Alright, so you're gonna go to the pet section on the Explore, and you're gonna go right here to this pet, for example, and you're gonna click all pets that you have. Alright, if you have a pet right here and you have a like co-parent pet with your friend, you will see it just right here. And if you have like as an inviter pet, you will see it in this section. All right, in order to share a pet, you need to have an egg. If you don't have an egg, such as like me, you're gonna just go to the egg section and you're gonna try the 5 ways that you can do that, which by subscription, as we explained before. You're gonna go ahead and subscribe and upgrade the app. Next, you will go to the shop. You're gonna shop in order to make an egg, or the invitation by inviting, like a friend. You will get how many eggs. All right, and you're gonna go to the lucky draw. Like each day, you're gonna go and try your luck to get an egg, and if your pet reaches level 2, you will get a new pet eggs. So that wraps it up. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.